welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So in today's video, I got you Sephora Beauty Play Box, May Box, sorry. I got you Sephora Play May Box. So let's see what I got in this month's box and whether I like it or not. So let's see. I didn't open it. So this is Lancome mascara base. I never tried it, but I'm not too much into it. I'm happy with my mascara and how my eyelashes look, so I'm not too much into it. I would say I would give it sideways. So this is first product. And I got Solo Genero, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, coconut based cream. I used it last time. It was too thick and too dry. I didn't make me feel comfortable, so down for me. I don't want to try it anymore because I've made my opinion, so I'm not too much into it because it didn't work for me last time. And I got a perfume sample. I'm too much into it, so thumbs up for this. And let's see what it's like. Hue ACV, DP Hue ACV Apple Cider Vinegar in Rinse. I absolutely love this hair care product, so huge thumbs up for this. And I hope we have two more products. Okay. Cola SPF. I absolutely love anything skincare, so huge plus for me. And I got a Bite lipstick. I already got like 2 or 3 samples of this. I'm not too much into it, so kind of down. So 3 products okay, 1 product is okay, 2 products down, and 3 products up. So I think this is an okay box. I'm not like, I feel like I'm getting the same stuff over and over again. I don't know whether to stop or not. I'll see a few more months and maybe I'll stop Sephora Play. I don't know yet, but share with me what you got in your box and if you are happy with it. And please subscribe to my channel for more new videos if you like my channel. Bye and have a good day. Thank you for watching.